In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete education from your LinkedIn profile. If you're tidying up your profile or removing an entry that's no longer relevant, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish with clear, simple steps. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. Click the official LinkedIn website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, do so securely and proceed to your home feed. Once you're on LinkedIn, look to the top navigation bar and select the Me icon. This is your account menu. From that menu, choose View Profile to open your public profile page. On your profile, scroll down until you see the Education section. It typically appears below Experience and above Licenses and Certifications, though its position can vary depending on how your profile is organized. Make sure you're in the Education area, where your schools, degrees, and study dates are listed. To start editing, click the pencil icon at the top right of the Education section. This opens the Editor view, where all your education entries are displayed in a list. Next, identify the specific education entry you want to remove. Each item has its own pencil icon beside it. Click that pencil icon to open the detailed view for that one entry. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the exact school or program you intend to delete, especially if you have multiple degrees from the same institution. Inside the edit window for that entry, look for the option labeled Delete Education. It's often located near the bottom of the panel and may appear as a simple text link or button. Click Delete Education to proceed. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm. Read the prompt carefully to ensure you're deleting the correct entry. When you're ready, click Delete again to confirm the removal. The item will be taken off your profile immediately. This action affects only that single education entry and does not impact your other profile sections. After confirming, return to your profile and scroll to the Education section to verify the change. If you need to remove another entry, repeat the same process. Open the Education editor, choose the specific item's pencil icon, select Delete Education, and confirm. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the delete option, double-check that you're editing the individual entry, not just the entire section. If you change your mind later, you can always add the entry back from the Education section using the Add option. And remember, keeping your profile concise and accurate helps recruiters and connections quickly understand your background.